All right, let's start with your homework tonight. Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. What are the indefinite articles? The indefinite articles mean a, an, or some. Okay? We have singular, plural, masculine, and feminine, just like we had with the definite articles. Un and una, unos and unas. The way that we can tell if they're masculine are loners, and the way that we can tell if they're feminine are atadad, ud, sion, and umbre. Say with me. When do we use indefinite articles? You use indefinite articles when you are speaking of a non-specific noun, something that's not specific. For example, I need a pen. This is not specific. That means give me any pen that you see. I need the pen would be more specific, and we already know 4 ways in Spanish to say the. That's el, la, los, and las. That's the other chart right there. Those are the definite articles, while the new ones that we're learning are the indefinite articles. I like to have a little thing that I use to keep those separated. We have the defels, which are the ones that start with el, la, los, and las. And then we have the indef which are the ones that start with u. Where do indefinite articles go? Indefinite articles almost always come before the noun. Let's check this out. Do you see bolígrafo? That would be my noun. And the indefinite article is bam, right here in front of it. Let's look at the next sentence. Tengo un lápiz. Lápiz would be my noun. Bam, indefinite article right here in front of it. And how about quieres una mochila? Mochila would be my noun, and you guessed it, bam, there's the indefinite article right there in front of it. Learning target number 2 states that we want to complete sentences using the correct indefinite article. How are we going to do that? 3 simple questions, guys, in this chart right up here at the top that you see. Bam, once again for you. Yo necesito blank mochila. The first question I'm asking myself is, what is my noun? My noun simply is mochila. Now I ask myself the important questions. Is that noun singular or plural? Well, by looking at this noun, I can tell that it's singular because it doesn't have an S, which means I'm on the singular side of the chart, meaning that I can cross out this side. It's between these two. The next question I'm going to ask myself is the noun masculine or feminine? Well, it ends in A, telling me that it must be feminine. Therefore, my article would be una. Here's some más práctica. I want you to take out your pencil and a piece of paper. You're going to write this down on the little thing that says web practice and the homework that I gave you. I'm going to go ahead and give you all the questions. This way you can push pause and answer them on your own. I'm going to walk you through number 1, though. First question I'm asking myself is, where is the noun? Remember I told you the noun almost always comes after the blank, and that is true for this section. Regla is my noun. Now I need to figure out if this noun is singular or plural. Well, there's no S right here, so it must be singular. And I'm going to ask myself, is this noun masculine or feminine? It ends in A, so it must be feminine, meaning that the answer is una. If you're having trouble with this, you need to make sure you ask yourself those 3 questions for each and every one. Where is my noun? Is it singular or plural? Is it masculine or feminine? And make sure that you use the chart to eliminate as you ask each question. Now would be a good time to push pause and test yourself. Please test yourself. Do not go on. Push pause right now and test yourself. I said push pause. All right. Welcome back. Here are the answers. If you're cheating, I'll know you're cheating. This is the challenging question. ¿Tienes unas gomas de borrar? Porque yo necesito... what goes in the blank? También necesito... Yikes, what goes in the blank? This is for all of my geniuses. For the ones who missed maybe 2 on the previous slide. I want you to try this. If you missed 3, 4, or 5, that's fine. Try this. Maybe you'll get lucky. I'm not going to give you the answer to these. This is going to let me know who cheated on the last slide and who didn't. Okay, guys, that's the end of the presentation. Have a good night.